Here's how to remove people or objects from your photos for free. So, this method works on any iPhone or Android, regardless of the version, and it's completely free. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Play Store or App Store according to your device and search for Google Photos. If you see an update button over there instead of open, go ahead and select update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. And after it has been downloaded and updated, go ahead and open the app. Tap on the photo or select it that you want to edit, and then select the edit button in the bottom of the screen that is between share and add to. Now select the actions option in the bottom of the screen that is between auto and markup. And there you'll get the option of magic eraser that is between crop and unblock. So go ahead and select magic eraser. Now simply brush over the person or the object that you want to remove. Google Photos will automatically analyze the image and erase the selected area. And then after save it as a copy or save it as original. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.